Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Raju Besnetji, respected guest of honor, Professor Mahendra P. Lamaji, respected senior officials and dignitaries from Government of Sikkim, respected Vice Chancellors and officials from universities in Sikkim, all esteemed guests, respected industry partners and representatives, our dedicated faculty members, staff members, all the parents present here, media representatives, and above all, our graduating students. Very afternoon. Today, as I stand before you as a founder and chancellor of the university, witnessing this historic day unfold, I feel a deep sense of pride, satisfaction, and humility. The experience and the journey till today, from the days back in 2021, when I, along with my co-founder and fellow director of Medhavi Foundation, Mr. Pradeep Sharma, we were trying to sow the seeds of Medhavi Skills University. It has been nothing short of a roller coaster ride and a transformative experience for me personally. We both had a clear vision and intent to create a bold example of a new age university that can stand out among traditional universities in its ability to deliver industry-relevant and practical education, empowering youths with skills and values to succeed in the future. Today, as we witness the first graduating batch of NSU with flying colors and wonderful placements, it only strengthens our commitment and resolve to keep pursuing this bold idea that education in India can be relevant, practical, deep-rooted to our culture, and overall a transformative experience. Now, before I move forward, I want to express my special gratitude and sincere thanks to Sri Lamaji and Sri Basnetji, along with all the esteemed guests present here for taking out time from their busy schedules to grace this occasion and bless the graduating students as well as the entire NSU family. This historic day will be etched in the pages of Medhavi Skills University forever. And today, your blessings and your inspirations will go a long way in motivating them in whatever they do in their lives. Speaking about our journey and vision, Medhavi as an organization, DNA, is deep-rooted in scaling. Before Medhavi Skills University was born and incorporated through the Sikkim State Act in 2021, Medhavi Foundation, the sponsoring body of the university, incorporated in 2012, already had a legacy of working in the skills development and capacity building space for the last about 10 years, and by that time had empowered 1.5 lakh youths who especially were mostly from very humble backgrounds across the country. Those learnings of working with youths across India shaped our core resolve, and we got even more convinced that if we integrate skills into higher education, that can create a revolution in the country and in our education ecosystem. And that is what critically is needed in today's world. And then came National Education Policy 2020, NEP 2020. It is said that when you are in the process of doing something big, noble, impactful, God is on your side. And in NEP 2020, skills and its integration to higher education was the key mandate and focus, and that was the key priority area for all the regulatory bodies in the country. Standing today, I am very proud to tell you that Medhavi Skills University has now become the most reputable and innovative skills university across the nation, and a case study for regulatory bodies about our innovative models of skilling and education and how we integrate industry into our core curriculums and create a holistic integrated curriculums and programs and pedagogies. We became the youngest university to be recognized as an awarding body under the National Council of Vocational Education Training, NCVET, which is a skilling regulator body of Government of India. Just to give you a context, that only 7 universities out of the 1200 plus universities we have in the country have been recognized till date by NCVET. We also became in India's only second university in the country to get an approval for Directorate General of Training to run ITI programs in partnership with industries. And eventually, because of our innovative work, we got a chance to work with National Skill Development Corporation as an anchor skills university to support and empower their network of training partners as to how they can link their training programs to academic credits under the National Credit Framework, which is a very empowering framework under NEP 2020. Today, I am very proud to say that Medhavi Skills University, along with Medhavi Foundation, in the last 12 to 13 years, have built a network of 250 plus large to mid-sized industries where our students do on-the-job training, apprenticeship programs, and helps us to get them placed after different types of short-term training and long-term programs we do across India. Our biggest moment and feather in the cap was last year when two of our students from School of Health Sciences secured top medals in the India Skills Competition, which is the most prestigious skill competition organized at a world level, which has made Sikkim State proud and the university proud. Witnessing most of the graduating students getting placed in the companies, specifically in the roles in which they have been taught in their field of study, has been an enriching experience for me personally and has increased my confidence and resolve to keep on investing in creating this institution as an excellence so that it becomes a globally recognized institution in the years to come. We are creating and launching programs that would help provide future jobs and future skills and technologies embedded into them. For example, artificial intelligence, IoT, big data, machine learning, just to name a few. And I must say that and admit that the initial first few years were full of deterrence because of the geographical challenges, infrastructural issues. But beyond all odds, I must say that I'm very proud of my core team, which stood by the organization's mandate to do quality work and to create value for the youth of Sikkim and for the entire Northeast. I must acknowledge my colleague Dr. Ramya Singh, Vice Chancellor in charge, whose sheer commitment to create value for the underserved regions of Northeast led to his efforts to put together a very vibrant team in Sikkim, who are now the cornerstones, the pillars, and the backbones of this university. Identifying the right people, staff members, faculty members for the organization and convincing them to relocate to Sikkim was one of the hardest part of our journey. But I'm proud that we have put together a team that the entire Medhavi as an organization we are proud of. Many people ask me, sir, that why we started a university and for all the places why in Sikkim. So let me tell you an anecdote and personal story behind it. Back in my school days in class 11th and 12th, when I was working hard to crack the joint entrance examinations to get into IIT, as a bright student, finally I secured a place in IIT Kharagpur where I spent my 5 years doing my BTech and MTech. But somewhere midway, I somewhat lost a little bit of interest in my core academics. What was lacking was guidance and awareness as to how my engineering education is going to solve real world problems and how it will benefit industries, how it can create useful products for the people around me. Those challenges and experiences shaped my thought process and fueled my desire that someday I will create an institution which will deliver industry relevant, practical, and outcome oriented education. And for me, Sikkim represented as a big challenge that if we could succeed in providing quality education in Sikkim, we can replicate the success across the world anywhere. And that's our core resolve. At this juncture, I would like to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to Honorable Chief Minister of Sikkim, Shri Prem Singh Tamang Gole, for believing in our idea back in 2021 and for his support, which paved the way for the establishment of Medhavi Skills University. I also want to thank the Department of Education for their ongoing support and guidance, which has provided us with the freedom and flexibility and encouragement to pursue our goals. I would also like to take a moment and acknowledge and appreciate my co-founder and pro-chancellor Kuldeep Sharma, who has been deeply instrumental in laying the core foundations of Medhavi Skills University and has devoted immense effort in building the Medhavi brand nationally, which we both have envisioned together to becoming the largest organizations in the country in a couple of years down the line. Dear students, why skill matters now more than ever? We all know and agree that the world is changing extremely fast. Technology is moving faster than degrees. Industries are evolving quicker than institutions. Chat GPTs, perplexities, and clouds of AI world have radically changed how we access personalized knowledge, which it will have and is having far-reaching consequences on lifelong learning, curated learning, and the power now is in the hands of people how they access information. But what will keep you ahead in your lives is not just knowledge, it's the core skills, your agility, your experiences in life, and your ability to solve real world problems and respond to those problems with open mind. You have entrusted MSU with your careers and became the maiden batch, and I thank you for you and for all the parents present here. You chose an education that's not just about exam and degrees, but about real hands-on experience. And I congratulate everyone who has spent their almost 1 year in their final years in working in on-the-job training and getting that on-the-job training experience. You spent time with industry, with communities, through social projects, through classroom experiences, through different clubs, societies, and I'm sure that would have been filled with enriching experiences and real-world learnings. That experience is not just your diploma, is your real credential. As you move ahead in your next chapter, remember, life is not a straight line. There will be ups and downs, wins and setbacks. But let me remind you, the future does not belong to the smartest or the luckiest. It belongs to those who can learn, unlearn, and relearn. Adaptability will be your superpower. And don't let anyone tell you that success is about job titles and what salary you're getting when you graduate right now. True success is about making an impact, creating value, living with a purpose, and in your initial years, learning as fast as possible and grabbing whatever information and experience you can grab. And let me tell you that as an entrepreneur, I have experienced that money always chases value creation. So you just need to focus on creating value in your life and the money will chase you. Today, you walk out as a pioneers of Miravi Skills University. You are our first graduating class. You carry our name, our spirit, our promise into the world. You will always be special. When the world meets you, they meet us. Your growth is our story. Your excellence is our brand. So lead with character, work with purpose, and never forget what your roots are. You are not alone as you step into the world. We will be here as mentors. In return, we ask for just one thing: stay connected with us. Share your journey, inspire the next batch, give back when you can through time, knowledge, and opportunity. Together, we can build a movement, not just a university. My final words, all of you graduates, India needs skilled professionals who can lead, serve, and build. You are those leaders, you are those builders. So go out there, build something, solve something, serve someone. Live a life that makes you proud and makes other better. Let your life be the loudest answer to anyone who ever doubted the power of skill, the value of education, or the dreams of youth. You are Meghavi, you are ready, the future is yours to shape. Congratulations once again. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.